Assalamu alaikum. How are you? It's a very amazing place that we have just checked out. We are still checking out. We are supposed to go some very mysterious, very thrill place. This is the road that we are on. The very interesting ride, and he has a personality beside this. Please meet the Soni Rahman. Hi to the camera, please, Soni Rahman. Okay, he's the person, I would say he's a very challenging, very famous and very legendary actor in Bangladesh media and film industry. And now I'm trying to meet someone, a very interesting person in this local area. He's a very famous and stunning jewelers in this area. Like you see, I think you have somehow heard about the restaurant of Khagrachori. Yes, we are staying in the Khagrachori, the place where it's called the Earth Heaven in Bangladesh. So we're staying in the Khagrachori. So okay, so we are trying to explore the new place. It's a very I hope so it would be the very interesting place as well. And we are trying to explore the place somehow and asking the local peoples where we should go, because we mistakenly forgot the road. We are tracking out the road somehow, and now we still are searching the road which is the ideal road to go, that we are supposed to meet and supposed to explore that. Okay, we get back to our meet and greet session. This is the man who behind the scene of the Khagrachori restaurant, the famous traditional food, who has a lot of cuisine, the local cuisines, and a lot of interesting traditional food. And many tourists have just come to visit his restaurant. The restaurant name is the System Hotel, the very proper area in the Khagrachori city. And the meet, he's the name Monk, please Dada, hi to the camera. I think he's actually paying the attention to have the road that we are looking at. And now I'm moving around just to the very interesting, famous, legendary Dada, the Khagrachori legendary person named the Sabu Dada. We consider him as a don. Is not a goon but a legendary person. You see him. Okay, so this is Dada. We actually can't understand the language, but we try to understand her emotion that she tries to express something. So Dada, please say something about the local area that we are now moving ahead. Do you have any words about to go? Do you have any, or are you in the motion now? Okay, he's a very emotional person. He's now gone in somewhere place. So look at the scene, by the way. You see the place, really versatile place. The green wavery, we are just intercepting the places, though we are moving out. And the riding by the Soni Rahman. You see the Soni Rahman, how pretty stunning heroes beside us are driving and taking us to the challenging area. How amazing. So I am actually trying to commentary about this journey. Okay, is this the place that we should go? I think this is the place that they are actually navigating us. I think we should go with this place. Though it's a soil road, very it's a half constructed road by the brick construction. Okay, so I would like to insist a person. You see the scenery, how pretty our natural beauty of Bangladesh. We see the beauty of Bangladesh. You see the Bangladesh beauties, how they attract us. We don't have enough word to express our natural beauty of country. Okay, finally maybe we got the way. Okay, our driver just discovered.
এটা খুবই সুন্দর একটি জায়গা, যেটি বাংলাদেশের মধ্যে নেপালের ফ্লেভার। আমরা এই মুহূর্তে যে জায়গাটিতে যাচ্ছি খাগড়াছড়ি, নেপাল, থাইল্যান্ড, কাঠমান্ডু কারণ যারা পর্যটকরা আসে সাধারণত আমরা কিন্তু সীমাবদ্ধ থাকি হচ্ছে সাজেক কিংবা বালুটিলা পর্যন্ত। তবে আজকে আমরা ব্যতিক্রম একটি জায়গায় যাচ্ছি। আসিফ ভাই যদি একটু দেখান একদম দূর থেকেই দেখেন কতটা অসাধারণ একটি জায়গা। আমাদের সঙ্গে আছেন আবারও বলছি সাবু দাদা, আমার শ্রদ্ধাভাজন প্রিয় বড় ভাই।
You see the monument of the traditional race, and you see the how traditional culture has just rebuilt. What a scene I have just explored. And you see the monument of the sculpture of the traditional customs. You see there's a lot of, you know, the lot of sculpture inside the structure, how tradition they are retaining with welcome. You see the Vishwa Shanti Buddha Dhatu Bogojati Khagrachuri Bangladesh. It means the world peace Buddha Dhatu Bogojati Khagrachuri Bangladesh. The way. So this is the place we are actually looking at. What a gate.
Okay.